Hello everyone, welcome back to One2Step. In today's tutorial, I'll be helping you learn how to change a TikTok name. To learn how, keep watching the video till the end and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's move forward. Start by clicking open your TikTok application. Once you're in, from the home screen, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen that says Me. Doing this will open your profile. Now tap on the edit profile button from this page. You can see the name text field at the top of the screen. Simply give it a tap and this is where you can change your name. Type in a preferred name for your account. And once you do that, tap on the save button located at the upper right corner. You have successfully changed your name on TikTok with this. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.